Every Windows 11 user should know about this free customization utility. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive without any further ado. So I have been using Windows 11 with my unattended install for a month. And while I prefer it without bloatware, I still dislike the taskbar, start menu, and right click menu. WinDoc is a great tool to customize these elements. So let's get started. Launch any web browser and search for WinDoc. From this result page, you will get the best website. Just click on it and launch and download and install WinDoc on your device. Once you are done with the installation process, we will reach on this page of WinDoc where you can easily go to the Explore tab. From this section, you will see all the modding windows, such as Windows 11 Start Menu Styler, Taskbar Hide and Icon Size, Windows 11 Taskbar Styler, and many more. Let's open this Taskbar Hide and Icon Size. Open it and you can install it on your device. So if you install this, you can easily know about the icon size and adjust the icon size, height, and button width. Also, from the start menu, you can choose themes like no recommended section, side by side, or translucent. You can easily scroll over the taskbar to adjust the volume and switch to Windows 10 style ribbon as well. The notification center and translucency effects. Taskbar themes, options like Windows XP or Bubbles. You can manage modes by enabling or disabling modes from the Home tab. Changes apply immediately or after restarting Windows Explorer. WinDoc runs with minimal resources. You can uninstall from apps and remove modes if no longer needed. So, WinDoc is a lightweight tool to easily customize Windows 11, especially the taskbar, start menu, and file explorer. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.